is Ragini Singh and we are presenting Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program in Kendriya Vidyalaya Neemuch CRPF 1. So in the series of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program, today as a guest we have our Vice Principal Madam, Parvi Ma'am. I welcome from all of you. Please ma'am, have a seat. As you know children, those who are joining us by online, as you know today is the day of Bhasha Sangam. Do you know what is Bhasha Sangam? Bhasha Sangam is a mixture of different languages. कई भाषाओं का सम्मिश्रण and we are going to learn different languages, Hindi as well as English and Manipuri language, because we have to know about Manipur, about the religion, about the language, about the culture, everything we have to know about Manipur. So today is the day of language. I would like to add one thing in language. You must be knowing that 8 religion, people of 8 religion are living all around the world. And all the 8 religions, followers of all the 8 religions are living in India. Can you imagine the variations, the diversities of India, the culture of diversity? As like the languages, more than 1500 languages are being spoken in our country. More than 1500. Only 22 is constituted in our constitution, but more than 1500 languages are there in our country. And Manipuri is one of them. So without wasting time, we are going to learn Manipuri language. But I will not teach you because it is a very difficult language. I am not going to teach you Manipuri language, and for that we have few children from our Vidyalaya. So let me introduce the children one by one. Please come, students. They are very energetic, enthusiastic and intelligent boys and girls from our Vidyalaya. Right? So see how they are going to teach you Manipuri language. Arpit, come here and first introduce yourself.
Good morning to all. This is Arpit Dikshit from class 8th. Here I am to teach you a few simple sentences in Manipuri language. I hope that you will learn them. Let us see what they are. In English, we say, what do you want? हिंदी में हम कहते हैं आपको क्या चाहिए? In Manipuri, we say nahak kari pami. I repeat, nahak kari pami. Nahak kari pami. Next.
So have you learned आपको क्या चाहिए? What is the sentence? What was the sentence? आपको क्या चाहिए? नाहक करी पामी. Just memorize these sentences, because after the completion of the program there will be a test of Manipuri language. Okay, so all you have to learn this language, these sentences which are being discussed here. Right? Nahak kari pami.
Next. In English we say, when do you get up in the morning? हिंदी में हम कहते हैं आप सुबह कब उठते हैं? इन मणिपुरी वी से नहक अयुम करम कांडा हवट के. आई रिपीट, नहक अयुम करम कांडा हवट के. नहक अयुम करम कांडा हवट के.
Very good Arpit. Nicely you are doing. You have learned all the sentences, right? This is a good thing.
In English we say, where is your house? हिंदी में हम कहते हैं आपका घर कहाँ है? In Manipuri we say, nahak ki yung kadaidale. I repeat, nahak ki yung kadaidale. Nahak ki yung kadaidale. Next. In English we say, it was nice to meet you. हिंदी में हम कहते हैं आपसे मिलके अच्छा लगा. In Manipuri we say, nahak ka theng na basi yam nuai. Nahak ka theng na basi yam nuai. In word nuai, G is silent. In word nuai, G is silent.
Very good.
In English we say, I waited for you. हिंदी में हम कहते हैं मैंने आपका इंतजार किया. In Manipuri we say Aina Nangbu Nairami. I repeat, Aina Nangbu Nairami. Aina Nangbu Nairami.
This is little bit simple. Aina Nangabu Nairami. Aina Nangabu Nairami.
In the word Nairami, G is silent. Thanks.
Very good, Arpit. You are doing well. And next, I am going to invite Arpita Dikshit. So let's see what she is going to produce.
Good morning to all present here. I, Arpita Dikshit of class 10th A,
Speak loudly.
going to speak some simple sentences in Manipuri language. In English, we say, do you know? In Hindi, we say, क्या तुम्हें पता है? In Manipuri, we say, Nang Khangra. In Manipuri, we say, Nang Khangbra. In Manipuri, we say, Nang Khangbra. Next. In English, we say, where do you from? In Hindi, we say, आप कहाँ से हैं? In Manipuri, we say, नहक करी लंदेनो. In Manipuri, we say, नहक करी लंदेनो.
Nahak Kari
लंदेनो. In Manipuri, we say, नहक करी लंदेनो.
I am from Manipur.
I,
Manipur Dagini. I Manipuri Dagini. मैं मणिपुर से हूँ. मैं मध्य प्रदेश से हूँ. I मध्य प्रदेश दगनी.
Next. In English, we say, I am from Uttar Pradesh. In Hindi, we say, मैं उत्तर प्रदेश से हूँ. In Manipuri, we say, I उत्तर प्रदेश दाहिने. I उत्तर प्रदेश दाहिने. I उत्तर प्रदेश दाहिने. Next. In English, we say, bye. In Hindi, we say, alvida. In Manipuri, we say, chatle. In Manipuri, we say, chatle. Chatle. Next. In English, we say, take care. In Hindi, we say, ख्याल रखना. In Manipuri, we say, फाजना लियो. In Manipuri, we say, फाजना लियो. In Manipuri, we say, फाजना लियो. Thank you.
Very good, Arpita. You have done well. And next, I am going to invite Anushka or Avni. Who will come first? Anushka? Avni. Okay.
Good morning to all. Here I am, Avni Jain from class 7th B. I am here to teach you a few simple sentences in Manipuri language. In English, we say, who are you? हिंदी में हम कहते हैं आप कौन हैं. In Manipuri, we say Nang Kanano. In Manipuri, we say Nang Kanano. In English, we say what is your name? हिंदी में हम कहते हैं आपका नाम क्या है. In Manipuri, we say Nange Ming Kari Kauge. In Manipuri, we say Nange Ming Kari Kauge.
Nangi Ming Kari Kauge.
In English, we say from where are you? हिंदी में हम कहते हैं आप कहाँ से हैं. In Manipuri, we say Nang Kari Lamdagino. In Manipuri, we say Nang Kari Lamdagino.
Nang Kari Lamdagino.
Lamdagino.
Lamdagino. Okay.
In English, we say how are you? हिंदी में हम कहते हैं आप कैसे हैं. In Manipuri, we say Nang Garibo. In Manipuri, we say Nang Garibo.
Nang Garibo. And what will be the answer? Nang Garibo. The answer will be Nungairi.
Nungai.
Answer will be
Nungai.
Nungairi.
In English, we say what are you doing? हिंदी में हम कहते हैं आप क्या कर रहे हैं. In Manipuri, we say Nang Kari Taurige. In Manipuri, we say Nang Kari Taurige. Thank you.
Nang Kari Taurige. Nang Kari Taurige. Oh my God, how difficult it is to learn. And all these are children, all the students, they are very intelligent. My God. And next, last but not the least, Anushka. Please go.
Good morning to all of you. I am Anushka Jain from class 9A and I am here to taught you some simple Manipuri sentences. So let's begin. In English, we say, my name is Anushka. हिंदी में हम कहते हैं मेरा नाम अनुष्का है. In Manipuri, we say, Aigi Ming Anushka Kauri. Aigi Ming Anushka Kauri.
Repeat it.
Aigi Ming Anushka Kauri. In English, we say, what language do you speak? In Hindi, हम कहते हैं आप कौन सी भाषा बोलते हैं. In Manipuri, we say, Nahak Kauri Lol Nagne. Nahak Kauri
Kari lol
Nagne. Nahak Kauri Lol Nagne.
आप कौन सी भाषा बोलते हैं?
In English, we say, I speak English. हिंदी में हम कहते हैं मैं अंग्रेजी बोलती हूँ. In Manipuri, we say, I English Nagne. I English Nagne.
और मैं मणिपुरी में बोलती हूँ आई मणिपुरी नागने.
In English, we say, I am from India. हिंदी में हम कहते हैं मैं भारत से हूँ. In Manipuri, we say, I India Dagini. I India Dagini. I India Dagini. Thank you and have a graceful day.
Okay, so all these are the 4 children. They taught you different sentences in Manipuri language. Okay, I will see. Slowly I will learn about Manipuri language, and in the next day we will come with another program with another set of activities, right? For today's, that's all. Thank you everyone, thank you girls and boys, and our vice principal madam, I am thanking her with my core of my heart, right? She has spared some time and she was with us and she motivated the children and the teachers, right? So that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day everyone. Please.